Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Pure Acetone is probably one of the most effective ways to remove gel nail polish, but it's crucial to understand its proper application, potential drawbacks, and necessary safety measures to ensure a successful and safe mani-pedi experience. This video will guide you through the process, highlighting the benefits and precautions associated with using Pure Acetone for gel polish removal, helping you achieve salon-quality results at home while prioritizing your nail health. Number 5. Pronto Pure Acetone. Say goodbye to stubborn nail polish. This acetone is perfect for removing gel, acrylic, or regular polish quickly and easily, leaving your nails ready for your next manicure. It effortlessly removes all types of nail polish, from gel and shellac to artificial nails and glitter. It's versatile enough for any nail art removal. Simply moisten a cotton ball and gently massage it onto your nails. It wipes away polish in seconds, saving you time and salon trips. Made with 100% pure acetone, it's effective and efficient. Our sealed bottles are available in various sizes to suit your needs. We're committed to providing a product that cares for your nails while keeping you on trend with professional, long-lasting looks. What we like? It's fast-acting and gets the job done efficiently. If you need a quick and easy way to remove your nail polish without the salon hassle, this is the one for you. Its simple application makes it perfect for busy individuals who value convenience and speed. What people say. I had a stubborn nail tip that didn't remove and it hurt when I tried to pull it off. I soaked the nail in this remove for only a minute and the tip came right off. I think this is the best and quickest polish remover I have ever used. I will never go back to store watered down remover. This gets the job done without soaking and wiping 10 times like the drugstore brands. Easy with one pad doing 5 nails or more. Number 4. Eternal Pure Acetone Nail Polish Remover. Achieve professional results with our 100% pure acetone nail polish remover. It effortlessly removes even the toughest glitter and gel polishes, saving you time and money. This remover easily lifts shellac, dark colors, and artificial nails without harming your natural nails. Say goodbye to residue and hello to perfectly clean nails. Simply moisten a cotton ball and gently massage it onto your nails. It's that easy. Use cotton swabs for hard-to-reach areas. It's not just for nails. It's also a great cleaner and gentle solvent for various other uses around the house. Made with 100% pure acetone, it delivers exceptional results. Available in 8 or 16 fluid-ounce bottles, ensuring you have enough for all your needs. We're dedicated to providing you with the best nail care products while keeping you on trend with long-lasting, professional looks. What we like? This remover tackles even the toughest polishes and leaves your nails perfectly clean. If you're looking for a powerful solution that removes even stubborn glitter or dark colors without leaving any residue, this is your best bet. Its versatility extends beyond nails, making it a handy addition to your cleaning supplies. What people say. My bottle arrived perfectly sealed with the entirety of the acetone intact. This bottle came in very full and very secure within its bag. The acetone does its job and it arrived with absolutely no leakage. This is my third purchase and I received a full bottle with the safety seal intact. No issues with shipping, no leakage, everything is excellent. Number 3. Vaxxen Labs Acetone. Introducing Vaxxen Labs 100% Pure Acetone, the professional strength nail polish remover for quick and easy removal at home. It's perfect for all your manicure and pedicure needs. This powerful formula effortlessly removes nail polish, gel, acrylic, and even glitter. Say goodbye to stubborn residue and hello to clean, fresh nails. Remember, it's for external use only. Avoid contact with eyes and open wounds. Discontinue use if irritation occurs and contact a physician if ingested. Unlike other removers, it leaves no greasy or oily residue. Your nails will be perfectly clean and ready for your next design. Simply apply a small amount to a cotton ball and massage it onto your nails. For hard-to-reach areas, use a cotton swab. It's that simple. As a family-run company, we're proud to say it's made in the USA with 100% pure acetone. We stand behind our product and are here to help if you have any questions. What we like? It leaves no oily residue, ensuring a clean finish every time. If you value a clean and residue-free result and prefer products made in the USA, this is the perfect choice. Its user-friendly design makes it suitable for both beginners and experienced nail enthusiasts. What people say. After removing the cap, the bottle has a foil seal across the top, which is pretty standard. If you're also going to use it to remove screen printing, I recommend poking a small hole in the seal and using it like a squeeze bottle, versus removing the foil entirely. It's just easier dispensing the precise amount you want that way, and you can squirt it directly where you need it to be with one hand, while using the other to scrub gently with a toothbrush. I'm literally not exaggerating when I say this has helped me take off my acrylic nails in a matter of minutes. I use this mainly for nail gel removal. Found it to be pure both in using and in cleanup. No odd residue left on surfaces. Secure container that has not dripped or leaked. Number 2. Super Nail Acetone Remover. Say goodbye to stubborn nail polish with our Pure Acetone Remover. It's quick, effective, and leaves your nails feeling clean. This remover effortlessly dissolves even the most long-lasting polishes. Experience a clean and complete removal every time. It's perfectly sized for your home manicure needs. The 8-ounce bottle provides plenty of polish remover for multiple uses. Simply soak a cotton ball and gently wipe away your polish. It's that simple. It's compact and easy to store. The package measures 5.715 centimeters L x 5.715 centimeters W x 13.335 centimeters H and weighs only 0.227 kilograms. What we like? This is a great value option if you are looking for a simple, pure acetone remover. If you are on a budget and need a reliable product, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want a basic, effective remover without extra frills. What people say. Does the job soaking off my gel nails, nice amount. Takes off regular nail polish great too with just a cotton ball. I am not easily impressed by simple household products, but this one did impress me. I had 4 layers of tone nail polish on, top 2 layers was a different color than bottom 2 layers. This acetone brand removed the first 2 layers with one swipe. It didn't take much effort to remove all 4 rather quickly. Quickly removes polish with one quick swipe. I use Sally Hansen gel polish, 2 coats and a top cost. Regular polish remover just doesn't work. Number 1. Onyx Professional Acetone Kit. This kit is your secret weapon for effortlessly removing any type of nail polish. It's salon quality, so you can get professional results at home. You'll receive a generous 16-ounce bottle of 100% acetone remover and a handy 7-inch nail file. Everything you need for a perfect manicure. It tackles shellac, gel, regular polish, artificial nails, nail glue, even stubborn glitter polish. Say goodbye to difficult removal. It's formulated for maximum strength and delivers salon-quality results. You'll love how easily it removes even the most stubborn polish. It's made in the USA and is both cruelty-free and paraben-free, so you can feel good about using it. Gentle on your nails, tough on polish. The Onyx Professional Acetone Kit makes nail polish removal quick and easy. Order yours now and experience the difference. What we like? It comes with a bonus nail file, making it a complete kit for your manicure needs. If you want salon-quality results at home and appreciate added value, this kit is a great option. The inclusion of a nail file adds convenience and makes it a cost-effective choice. What people say. This is only one works really well. For acrylics gel or dip you need to get dry rice heat for about 45 seconds in microwave. Put some acetone in sandwich baggie and soak your nails in the acetone with it pushed down into rice to heat it up. It will easily start to dissolve nail tips, gel, and dip powder it will just wipe off. It's a great product that's worth the cost. This remover takes glitter polish off pretty fast. Removes all my polish with 4 cotton balls on fingers and 2 on toes. My usual brand took like 15 cotton balls. This is now my new brand. I never seen polish come off so fast before. I use on natural nails, doesn't dry nails out either. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.